subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Itel launched its new budget-friendly phone in India called Itel P40 Plus. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Itel P40 Plus features a tall 6.8-inch HD Plus IPS display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses an AI-featured dual-camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 13-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified secondary lens. Under the hood, the Itel P40 Plus comes powered by octa-core Uni-SoC T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a huge 7,000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it is claimed to deliver up to 18 days of standby time, and up to hours of talk time on a single charge. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Itel P40 Plus has been priced in India at 8,099 Indian rupees. And it is said to go on sale starting from July 11th, in Force Black and Ice Cyan color options. So what do you guys think of this Itel P40 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.